Welcome back to Caterpillar Cross Stitch. Today I wanted to take you behind the scenes of our 9th birthday celebrations. So to celebrate this milestone, we chose to invite 9 really special customers on the ultimate cross-stitchy day out. So we invited everyone over to Caterpillar HQ in Warwickshire, England, and everyone on arrival received a goodie bag. So this was jam-packed full of some limited edition exclusive Caterpillar Cross Stitch merch, like a water bottle and notepad and pen and chocolates and fizz and all sorts of goodies in there as well. And of course, the lovely shopping bag itself. So we went on a little tour all around our fabric cutting station, our stock room, our machines that we thread all of the thread holders with, and everything's wound onto there. Everyone had some treats and we had a good old laugh and got to know each other. A lot of our lovely attendees this day had already met either via one of our stitching social classes or at the stitch retreat in person. Lots of faces as well from our stitch picnic from years ago, but it was lovely to see everyone. I felt like everyone's just old friends, and a lot of these people have been customers for the best part of 9 years and have been so supportive. We chose people based on lots of different criteria, and luckily everyone was able to come, so a big thanks to them for sort of clearing their diaries. But we had so much fun and everyone was really interested to see behind the scenes. People were saying, it looks so different than it does on social media or on our other YouTube videos. So it was lovely to take people behind the scenes and show them sort of how everything's made, how we pack the subscription boxes and advent calendars, and our systems, organisation. We've still got the old logo on the wall for some reason. I know we need to update that to get the new sort of wall sticker. So if anyone's got any companies that make these big wall stickers, please leave me a comment down below because we need to get one. We've got Emma there working away, and Georgia is showing people how to use the machines. Lots of subscription boxes already packed up in our big grey Royal Mail bags ready to ship out this month in February. And now onto our fulfillment area. So lots of needle minders packaged up, ready to go. People had so many questions. And then in this area, we decided to surprise everyone and let our lovely guests pick something for free. So they chose a kit they didn't have. I think some of them were struggling because they have so many of our kits. There weren't many left they haven't done. But you can see everyone having a lot of fun choosing what they'd like to take home with them and popping it into their goodie bag. I can't remember who it was, but someone was saying it was like a Willy Wonka's Wonderland, but for cross stitch. So it was really cool to hang out and sort of answer any questions people had. We've got a staff room. Here's the lovely Ellie. And our lunchroom and our company values, and basically just taking people behind the scenes and really bringing them into our world and where it all began and how we do things on a daily basis. And then we took everyone over to the Orange Tree, which is just down the road from us, this lovely pub restaurant. And we had some balloons. Thank you, Molly, for sorting those. And Abby's filming everything. And Joe, who joined us as well. And we had a lovely meal, 3-course meal, lots of yummy puddings and pizzas and things. And then it was time to take people back to train stations and to say goodbye. And thank you so much to everyone for such a lovely day and making the effort to come over. And thank you, of course, to everybody else. So we have huge communities across social media, and all of our lovely customers mean so much to us. I am sad we weren't able to have a huge party with 100,000 people and a massive festival, maybe next year. But we thought as we turned 9 years old, we'd just have 9 people and do it in this way to kind of give back and celebrate and say thank you. But watch this space, because at the end of 2025, we are turning 10 years old. So send your ideas. Comment down below. What do you think we should do for 10 years? Thanks, guys. See you soon.